Here we go. Thank you.
So here we go. Line it up on your next target there. Okay. So
we're going to go all the way to your right.
Go to the right. You go to my. Nope. Right. Yep.
Hey, you got it.
There you go.
You'll see it coming in the corner there.
Yep. Keep going. There you go. You're gonna go. Okay. Look up. Look up there. Out in the middle. That's what we're going for. Is that middle target. And see where you are here with the round line. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. There you go. So like.
All right.
Yep.
Yep.
There. And hold on.
Can you see it? You're shooting at the top balloon right there.
Yeah.
On the right side.
No.
So we'll get it on there, and then I'll have you look at it.
Yeah, that's fine. Vicky's good. Vicky's good.
We're not running a race here.
That's right. Oh,
Oh,
there you go. Just there.
Okay.
You like that?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm going to squeeze mine.
Woo!
Good job.
Now,
you ready to shoot that balloon?
We're going to shoot their balloon there, here. And then I'm going to go out there and get the target for you.
Okay.
Look at that. Look at that.
1, 2. Do you have it?
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah!
God! Solid, solid,
Look
solid
at you,
work.
Lindsay!
Solid work. Man! There you go. Now tap just the...
There you go.
Tap just a little.
Yep, tap on just to the side. Just, nope.
Side.
Side.
Hold on.
There you go. Now just to the side. Just get a little
Left
look
or
at it.
right? Right.
Go to the right. There.
Oh!
Oh,
Nice.
good job.
Ready?
You ready?
Ready. Cool, isn't it?
And we'll
Okay, you want to go do the other target again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do
Okay.
it. Start.